Life is better here in Florida, and I'm Josh Rogers. I wanted to just give you a quick snippet about the design it yourself concept here in David Weekley Homes. So I'm here in Shearwater, St. Johns County, and only a couple select floor plans are design it yourself. And what that means is the floor plan has its actual footprint, and then there's specific zones within that footprint that you can tweak or change. There's about 5 options per zone. So here in the zone of the kitchen area, you may have 5 different options that you can choose how it's oriented or what you need. So I really appreciate you spending time with me, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. So I have a question, closing cost. Have you considered what closing costs are going to be on your new construction purchase? It's actually one of the biggest questions our families have, and it comes as a big surprise once they learn more about the specific details. Actually more of a shock. So we've compiled multiple closing cost estimates from the most popular communities and the most popular builders and put together what I call the closing cost cheat sheet. This is going to give you very specific line-by-line items of what is being charged and how much those charges range. So you're not surprised whenever it comes to the sticker shock of closing costs. You can get the closing cost cheat sheet completely free if you click the card. The link is in the description, or just go to lifesbetterinflorida.com. So enjoy the rest of the video. We're in this together. And remember, life's better in Florida. If you have particular tastes or things that you need, the design it yourself is really flexible. So if you have 5 zones with 5 options each, that's 25 options total within the home. And it's really cool how they're able to do this on the computer and show you those renderings in real time and let you choose, basically semi-custom build your home through David Weekley, which is a fantastic concept. So here, David Weekley is selling townhomes, 40-foot wide home sites, and also 60-foot wide home sites. So be sure that you check out those tours I've done of those, and then also the Shearwater amenities. And remember, it's official, life's better in Florida, and I'll see you on those next videos. Let's keep this conversation going in our Facebook group, Life's Better in Florida. It's a great place to ask specific questions and get hyperlocal updates that aren't on YouTube. Also, if you want to continue binge watching these community videos, just click on this playlist. And if you haven't taken advantage of our private new construction video and resources, you're missing out. Just click on our Life's Better in Florida logos to access those. Remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you on the next video.